Discover more about the Excel copper cabling system in the Excel Encyclopedia. Excel's copper systems combine award-winning technology, category-rated performance, and independent third-party verification with flexible options, high-density solutions, and a comprehensive choice of products. Whether you're working to a specification of CPR-compliant cabling in a large multi-purpose venue, supporting high-density data center applications, or enhancing the cabling infrastructure for a small business, the Excel copper system is here for you, without compromise. In this chapter, we cover the complete Excel copper portfolio with details about the latest industry standards, comparisons of various cable types, performance charts, and more. You'll also find a number of helpful product selector charts that have been compiled by Excel's specialist technical team. These indicate compatible products from the Excel copper range, so you can buy with confidence.